Our topic is ad extensions. Okay, so the very first question, what are ad extensions? And the second thing is, why do we use ad extensions or where do we use ad extensions? So the very first thing, ad extensions are used for the reason like to give extra information about your brand, about your product or service to your relevant customers. Okay, so apart from your, let's say, ad copy, what you have in that headline, description, and final URL, we give some extra information. And there's a way to give extra information, that is through your ad extension. So that can be a phone number, or that can be a promotion, like giving information about the offer. Okay, or let's say you can use site links. Okay, so there are many ad extensions are there which we're gonna study individually. Okay, so let me show you where to reach out to ad extensions. You can go to your Google Ads tool, go for the plus sign, new campaign. So the platform is little slow. I'll go with the objective sales and I'll go with search. So let me inform you, like, these ad extensions are valid only for your search campaign. And we're gonna understand each and every let's say ad extension in detail. But currently in this video, I'm just gonna tell you like where to add ad extensions and why they're useful. So they have many advantages. Okay, so if I scroll down to the bottom, you can see over here an ad extension options, and we have many ad extensions available over here. And we can get an extra let's say a CTR rate by showing the additional information on your ads. Okay, we can get a good CTR rate. As they mentioned, we can get 50% higher CTR rate, click through rate. Okay, and there's even more reason why people use ad extensions, that it is been considered as one of the factor in your ad ranking. So when you go with the ad rank, we have a formula into your bid amount into your quality score. But still, some Google considers that even your extensions plays a major role, because they're gonna give you good CTR. Good CTR leads to good quality score. Good quality score leads to your good ad rank. Getting it? So directly and indirectly, this ad extensions really matters. Okay. So I hope you have understood the ad extension, let's say, funda, and I'm sure it is pretty clear. Okay. Thank you so much.